So today I will discuss the fourth board question. So what is the question is? The question is on 1st April 2014 on existing firm had assets of 75,000 including cash rupees 5,000. The partner's capital account showed a balance of rupees 60,000 and reserve constituted the rest. Clear? The capital account, it means CI has given in the question. If the normal rate of return NRR given 10% and the goodwill of the firm is valued at 24,000 at 4 years purchase profit, super profit. Find out the average profit. Again I will repeat. On 1st April 2014, the firm had assets, existing assets 75,000 including cash 5,000. The partner's capital account showed a balance of rupees 60,000 and reserve constituted the rest. If the normal rate of return is 10% and the goodwill of the firm is valued at 24,000 at 4 years purchase of super profit, find out the average profit of the firm. So first of all, you have to write super profit formula. What is the formula of super profit? The first one, AVP, total profit divided by number of year. Now the second find out normal profit formula, CI into NRR and divided by 100. Now the third point, super profit is equal to AVP 1 minus 2 minus NP. Last point, goodwill, fourth number. Formula of goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase years. So first of all, the question had an existing firm had assets 75,000 including cash 5,000. The partner's capital account showed a balance 60,000. First you write the question fast. Okay, I will start the solution. So first of all, average profit. Now average profit, what is the formula of average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. Normal profit, CI, capital invested or capital employed, it means assets. CI means assets or investment into NRR divided by 100, normal rate of return given in the question. Super profit, average profit minus normal profit, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase or purchase year, both are same thing. So first of all, calculate normal profit. Find out the average profit of the firm. This is the important point. And first, most important point, existing firm had assets of 75,000. It means CI has given in the question 75,000. So 75,000 into normal rate of return 10%. So divided by, so it means 7,500 normal rate, normal profit, clear? NP, super profit. So the goodwill of the firm is valued at 24,000. Super profit not given, AVP not given, but normal profit given. Now goodwill of the firm is valued at 24,000. So 24,000 goodwill has given in the question. SP not given in the question. So super profit into number of purchase year 4. So super profit is equal to 24,000 divided by 4, it means the super profit will be 6,000. 24,000 goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase here. So super profit बाहर आ जाएगा 24,000, जो मल्टीप्लाई है वो क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 6,000 सुपर प्रॉफिट. सो हमें चाहिए क्या, एवरेज प्रॉफिट. सो सुपर प्रॉफिट हमें मिल गया. सुपर प्रॉफिट, वी हैड गॉट सुपर प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू एवीपी माइनस एनपी. सो एनपी given in the question 7500. now AVP जब इक्वल टू के इधर चीज आ जाएगी तो प्लस हो जाएगी. 6,000 plus 7,500, it means 13,500 AVP. So this is the answer, 13,500. Again I will repeat. On 1st April 2014, an existing firm had assets of 75,000, including cash rupees 5,000. The partners' capital account showed a balance 60,000 and a reserve constituted the rest. If the normal rate of return is 10% and the goodwill of the firm is valued at 24,000, 4 years purchase super profit, find out the average profit of the firm. So average profit of the firm 13,000, it will be 13,500. So 13,500. So normal profit. So CI has given in the question. Assets means capital investment CI. So it means assets CI into NRR divided by 100. 75,000 into 10%. 10 by 100. 7,500. Super profit not given in the question, but goodwill is given in the question. 24,000 and number of purchase year 4 is equal to goodwill is equal to SP into number of purchase year. 24,000 is equal to SP into 4. Super profit 6,000. So super profit की जगह 6,000 रख दो. AVP पता नहीं है. नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट 7500. जब ये इक्वल टू के इधर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. AVP is equal to 6,000 plus 7,500, 13,500. The answer is 13,500. Fourth board question completed.